Meritocracy is the belief that success is based purely on talent and hard work. Translation: if you make it, you earned it. If you don't, you clearly just didn't want it badly enough. No shortcuts, no favoritism, just grit, grind, and a LinkedIn post about waking up at 5 a.m. Sounds fair, right? Except real life said absolutely not. Because people do not start at the same starting line. Some runners show up with private tutors, parents who know the CEO, generational wealth, and a safety net made of vibes and inheritance. Others show up dodging potholes like underfunded schools, racism, unstable housing, and student debt that follows them like a ghost with interest rates. Take elite universities! On paper, it's all about merit grades, test scores, extracurriculars. In reality, some students have sought coaches, resumed consultants, legacy admissions, unpaid internships, and parents who casually donate libraries. Others are working 2 jobs, helping at home, and being told, "Have you tried believing in yourself harder?" That's not a fair race, that's Mario Kart. And some people already have triple mushrooms. Meritocracy also loves a self-made success story. Society eats that up. We celebrate billionaires like they sprang fully formed from hard work alone, not from head starts, networks, or timing. Fun fact, the word meritocracy was coined in 1958 by sociologist Michael Young, and plot twist, it was sarcasm. He meant it as a warning. Young predicted that meritocracy would justify inequality by convincing winners they deserved everything and losers that their struggles were their own fault. And that's the trick. Meritocracy turns structural inequality into a motivational problem. Can't climb the ladder? Must be your mindset. Not the missing rungs, not the broken steps, not the fact that some people started halfway up. Meritocracy sounds fair, looks fair, and feels fair. Until you zoom out and realize the race was rigged before the whistle even blew. Hit like, subscribe to Legacy Lab, and comment if you think meritocracy is fair or if you think the system is doing a little too much heavy lifting behind the scenes.